scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Currency questions get easy fast when you focus on the definition, because this one is really asking what name economists use for one money's price. One currency in terms of another currency, because that means we are comparing how much one money unit is worth when measured using a different money. Now, match that definition to the choices, and the term for the price of one currency expressed in another currency is called the exchange rate, not inflation or interest. So the definition lines up exactly with exchange rate, which means option B is the correct answer, and that wraps it up cleanly. Well done! Option B, scan now. Do not rush past definitions. Trust the given wording and check each step before locking your choice.